ase omowaziri w'oburendi waime imeyense ya Kenya Kipchumba Murkomen nigo ayetarera ikaunti ya Gusii ase Etaro y'omuroberio oria ojukwala usalama abo asakwanera amang'ana ay'oburendi imeye kaunti eyo ya Gusii nigo nonya nigo omowaziri oyo atebire buna ekerenga agi Etaro eyo nokwenekia buna eserikali nkoretere emiroberio ang'e ina abananchi erio kobasemia chinchira achokonyora omurembe anene nigo nonya nigo Murkomen aba agakwikeria bororo CHISEGI chiri chagente kwenekibwa sector ya bodaboda me county ya Gusii asate babuna nigo bitambekero bya bene birache koirwa erio kwenekia nga CHISEGI echo nko bakire chigoika omwerio umurikeito weekly forenge nigo kirana senseme yo nakolgene roboti rokobwatia
na Etaro ya 39 ya jukwaa la usalama y'omowaziri w'oburendi bw'emensi ya Kenya Kipchumba Murkomen imiye county ya Gusii abwo ase omowaziri oyo amone abisi yaye egotarasi county erokorwa obokoreri mashinani
in a year to have an opportunity to work from a county. So today we are working from Gusii County, answering questions and resolving problems that are related to this county, and that is what we have been doing throughout. People keep asking themselves, what is it all about, Chukwa? It's just us continuing our ordinary job that we would ordinarily be having people queuing in my office in Nairobi wanting to see me to discuss issues that are affecting their community and their constituencies, their counties.
Senkwane yaye kutia sabaralia mambi ya lero nigo omowaziri Murkomen atebire buna nige wizara yaye ebwate gangene ne yakweneke buna obokoreri ngo ikaborange asabanto.
And instead of 2-3 members of parliament or MCA or chief or county commissioner or a DCC coming to visit me in my office, we have decided that at least once in a year we visit them in the county and listen to their issues directly. So it's an open forum. Questions will be asked. People want to ask directions on how to handle certain things. I have also questions to ask them concerning security issues in the county and the manner in which we've been delivering services.
Nigo boiganyara ko bakako kwana igoro ya CHISEGI chia bodaboda ijo chiabere chikwene kigwa imiyomo chebosongo abo asate birabuna abo obisa bo burendi nkobwatera na barama na barayi ba bodaboda rikokiania obosalia na igo kogikeria ebikoro bya banasiasa kogendera ko yetumika sector ya bodaboda bobe.
The danger is what we saw on 1st of September where there was a very ugly scene in this town. We want the bodaboda sector to be regulated independent of political interference. And we want the NTSA to work together with the relevant authorities in county and national government to license the bodaboda circles and to regulate and punish those who are involved in criminal activities.
Kwanera amangana ya chindemero nigo omowaziri oyo atebire buna amangana yo gwata chindemero na bwanera tatu kuturware elia bantu bonsi bamanya nyomba cherigo lirense eche serikali yabekire meroberio kwagacha erikokiania obwiti bwa bantu abagotu asoko baroka barogi elindabere chindemero chiabo.
And all these killings that are done in the name of witchcraft are at the end of the day related to land issues. This is a conversation we must continue having with the lands ministry to see how best succession can be expedited. But I tell you, without fear of contradiction, the solution to land issue in Gusii is to have land consolidation, because the fragmentation of land has created pressure. And if there is a county that is threatened to be a slum, if we don't do anything in another 20 or 30 years, is here.
Ebono nigo omowaziri oyo agenderete ko ichitarira chi county au elenyara ko bagakoreta obokoreri ang'e n'abananchi nigo yategere asaba kore mirimo abo bakora service au cha serikali kweneke buna nko bakorera bara abananchi obokoreri obuya yinko reporteria Ensoko TV kurwake gasomo chibosonge county ya Gusii ereteriane Wycliffe Orenge.